Gupta associate Iqbal Sharma back in court. Gupta associate and businessman Iqbal Sharma and former Free State Agriculture and Rural Development head Peter Thabethe are expected to apply for bail in the Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court on Monday. The National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) said it would oppose bail. The NPA investigating Directorate ID spokesperson Sindi said Sharma, Thabethe, and the 13 co-accused face charges relating to defrauding the Free State Department of Agriculture. Sharma and Thabethe spent the weekend at the Biography police station cells after their arrest on Wednesday in the Free State, Gauteng, and Mpumalanga. They made their first court appearance on June the 3rd, where a state official after two other accused was granted bail. According to an online news channel, the accused were arrested in connection with the failed R288 million Istina dairy project in Vrid. The fraud is in connection with an R25 meters feasibility study in 2011 that was irregularly granted to New Lane Investment 204 Pty Limited, a company owned and controlled by Sharma, Sipoka said. The company had to provide a report to the department within 7 months. New Lane, however, subcontracted the work to Dlathu Consulting Pty Limited for R1.5 meters. Sipoka said New Lane subcontracted the work already completed by Dlathu Gateway Limited and paid them over R19 meters. The funds were then diverted to Island Site Investments 180, a Gupta-owned company, Sipoka said. The ID alleges that Sharma, Thabethe, former FSTO head, Limakatso Muorosi, and former FSTO chief financial officer, Sipati Dlamini, colluded to divert funds earmarked for rural development in the Free State, Sipoka said. These funds were then placed at the disposal of the Gupta family. Muorosi and Dlamini were granted R10,000 bail each on Thursday and faced charges of fraud, money laundering, and contravention of the Public Finance Management Act. Due to health reasons, Sharma's brother-in-law and a representative of New Lane Investments, Dinesh Patel, are expected to formally appear in the same court on June the 15th. They are charged together with 3 companies: New Lane Investment 204 Pty Limited owned and controlled by Sharma, Woan Management Pty Limited, Pragat Investment Pty Limited, and Island Site Investments Pty Limited, Sipoka said. The balance of accused listed in the charge sheet is not currently in South Africa. On Friday, ID confirmed the seizure of properties and assets worth millions of rand belonging to Sharma in Cape Town and Johannesburg. The Bloemfontein High Court granted a restraint order to freeze assets of Sharma, his company New Lane Investments, and Island Site Investments 180 Pty Limited, which belongs to Atul and Rajesh Gupta and their wives, Chitali and Arti Gupta, respectively. Sipoka said the assets included his R12 million Sandton home, which is owned through a UAE-registered company, is a global as well as movable property valued at R500,000 and in R1.3 meters sectional title home in Sandton. Properties owned by Gupta family company Island Site that form part of the inventory include a house worth R21 meters in Constantia, near Cape Town, and an R12 meters house in Saxonwold, said Sipoka. Sipoka said should the accused be convicted, the National Director of Public Prosecutions will apply for a confiscation order against Sharma and Island Site to recoup the value of benefits derived from the offences and related criminal activities.